How to fix Viber activation failed. So the steps or the method that I'm going to be providing you are just simply the general and the basic ones. So during the activation on your Viber account, usually you will receive an OTP or a one-time password to the registered mobile number. You're just going to make sure that you're entering the correct OTP based on the SMS that you receive. Second thing to do is tap and hold in your Viber application and hit on the eye icon. Now, before doing this process, make sure that the Viber that you're using is updated to the latest version by simply going into any app store you downloaded Viber and just update the app. From here, you'll be redirected into the app info and then just simply scroll down again. Then under usage, go to storage. Just simply choose on clear data and clear cache. And that's it. Just simply try to reactivate your account again on Viber. And those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Viber activation failed.